What's going on, world? It's your boy Willie Crawford with Trapping the Market, and we are here to give you another crypto chart breakdown in today's trade analysis. Today, January 3rd, 10:27 p.m., 2 days after the new year in 2022. Y'all go back and look at my video from yesterday. You will see where I predicted that price was possibly come down to this area. And first off, before we go any further, I would like for you to like and subscribe to my channel, comment below, and let me know what you think about this video when it's done. Okay, so let's jump right into it, you guys. Let's jump right into it. Bitcoin. Once again, you know I got my indicators on. Let me turn some of these off so you can get kind of an understanding. Okay, I'm gonna leave my ribbon up there because we all know if price is under the ribbon, then it's on a downtrend. But it's coming to a support level right here, which is the 46K, around the 46K, 45,978. And this is on the 4-hour chart. So if we stay above this level right here, that could be a good sign for Bitcoin to come back up here and possibly do something like that right there, right? But if we ultimately break down, we are at a very important key level right here in this area right here. This is a very important key level for Bitcoin to hold, because if it comes down and closes in this area, it comes up and come back down. We could possibly see that tomorrow if we get a close underneath the 46,000. Really, I say, yeah, underneath the 45,005. We get a closed candle underneath that area on the 4-hour chart, we could possibly see more downward action for Bitcoin. That is what I'm seeing here, guys. It's still in our bearish rectangle. It's still in our bearish rectangle right there. Y'all see that setup? It's still in the bearish rectangle. Heavy consolidation from Bitcoin right now. Heavy consolidation. This is being very predictive of where it's going, where the support levels at, where the resistance levels are. That's where Bitcoin is doing. It's zoning and it's ranging in the zone between the 52,000 and the 46,000. So right now, yeah, that's what Bitcoin is doing. Now let's take a look at Ethereum. On this Ethereum chart, let me pull up Ethereum on the side right here. Ethereum, you guys, Ethereum is currently still outperforming Bitcoin. Now, we all know what it means when Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin. When Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin, I'm gonna pull it up for you guys. That is a sign that altcoin season could possibly be in the near future. 1 second as I get this pulled up for us. The altcoin cycle, altcoin seasons. Altcoin season cycle. We can see here. So I'm gonna pull this over here for us to take a look at right here. Okay, so phase 1 for the path to alt season, you guys. Flow of money moves into Bitcoin, causing prices to surge. All right, then price will overlap. Money flows into Ethereum, but it struggles to keep up with Bitcoin. Ethereum goes back and forth with Bitcoin and starts outperforming it. That's the phase overlap, right? So we kind of seen that towards the end of 2021, price was going back and forth with Bitcoin, and it struggled to keep up with Bitcoin, and then it goes back and forth with Bitcoin, and now it's starting to outperform it. So that's kind of what we're seeing right now. All right, phase two, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, and we hear talks of the flippery. So the phase two is sort of beginning right now. Phase two could possibly sort of beginning right now. We have another phase overlap where money is starting to trickle into large caps, where we see large buy-ups happening. Pay attention, all right? When we start seeing that in the market, you guys, when nobody's talking about Bitcoin, nobody's talking about cryptocurrency, big money is buying it. Don't think they're not buying it. When it's down, nobody's talking about it, it's a reason. They're not talking about it because they're too busy buying it, right? So phase three, large caps. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin, and large caps are going parabolic. Altcoin season. That's when the altcoin season is in full effect in phase three. Well, it's the beginning of the altcoin season, really, in phase three. And then you have another phase, a phase overlap. Regardless of market cap, some altcoins with strong fundamentals are having pumps. So it's like, you see some of these altcoins, people looking down at their crypto wallet like, hold on now, my crypto wallet is starting to go up a little bit in these altcoins. And then phase four is a full-fledged alt season. Large caps have gone full vertical, and we're seeing blow off tops, mid caps, low caps, micro caps, all tend to pump around the same time. Large caps have been outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. It seems every coin is going parabolic regardless of fundamentals. Memes are everywhere. Everyone is super excited, and you feel the mania in the air. Euphoria. You're in a euphoria stage, people. You're just so excited. Everybody's talking about crypto. Everybody's just like, buy this, 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 buy this. And that is not when you're supposed to buy. When everybody's talking about it, you're not supposed to be buying. You're supposed to be looking for a sell position. I'm sorry to tell you guys, because if everybody's so excited is at the top, if your crypto portfolio blew up that hard and you're excited to tell everybody, you would sell out too. So when you hear everybody talking about it, you guys don't FOMO in, do not buy at the top. Doesn't make any sense for us to buy at the top. You sell at the top, buy at the bottom. That's the name of the game. That's how you play it, right? So that's Ethereum. And my altcoin for today will be the lovely Vechain. Vechain. I have a strong love for Vechain. Vechain is a very useful cryptocurrency. It actually has a very, very good use case, and I can see this crypto staying around for a long time and actually doing something in a lot of the fields, supply chain fields, medical fields, you name it. I can see Vechain being one of them ones that can really change a life. I see Vechain one of those ones that can really change your life. So and right now it's in the 8-cent range. Just last year, this time I believe was around 7 cents. But the highest it's been was around 30 cents, if I'm not mistaken, or close to the 30s. But as we can see, we go to the daily chart for Vechain. Vechain is in a heavy consolidation. It's just been ranging. I'm gonna delete my drawings here. As we can see, we are getting that rounded bottom. We got one rounded bottom right here. Rounded bottom came up right there. All right, so now we're getting this other rounded bottom right here. We should see You can see this happening. Pushing up to that 18 cent, right? And I'm just going to delete the first rounded bottom right here. Let me delete this first one right here. I'm going to do another one, that one right there, because there's another one right up in here right there. But yes, those rounded bottoms are forming. This next rounded bottom could potentially this could be the bottom for the year. This could be the bottom for the year, it's bottoming out. This was damn near the bottom for the year last year. Around this time, 2021, no, I say the bottom was right around here. Right around here for the year, which is at the 5 cent range. It hit the 5 cent range. Now, can Vechain hit the 5 cent range again? It's definitely possible. It's definitely possible. It's definitely see this wick right here. But we should see it hold. It's been holding around this area for a little while, and it's doing a lot of consolidation right here in this area. So this could be the area where this is the depression stage of the price. You may see one sharp drop off and then it comes back up. You may see a quick drop off like this on a daily chart, quick dip down, and then it'll start rising. We could possibly see that, right? But as it's approaching these bands right here, it's looking like it's forming some sort of resistance. It's respecting these bands and ribbons. We need to see Vechain break above these bands and come up here, then retest down, and then stay above and just go parabolic, right? That's what we looking to see with Vechain. But all of this ultimately is based on how Ethereum is performing, Bitcoin is performing. Is Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin? As we can see currently right now on the ETH BTC chart, Ethereum is currently outperforming Bitcoin on the daily chart. So we need to see more action of this for a true alt season to be amongst us. So that's a quick session with Trapping the Market. We went over Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Vechain. Once again, today is the 3rd January 2022. If you guys are interested in learning how to trade and being a better trader, I want you to comment below with your email address. We can set up a Zoom call, and I want you to hop on a call with me and we could go from there, right? So like and subscribe this video. Thank you for thank you for coming to the Trapping in the Market session, day 2. Signing out. Good night.